Welcome back, upstreamers. We all know what contracts are, those things you sign without really reading them properly that commit you to do or provide something. If you spent a little bit of time looking at Cardano, you might have heard of smart contracts. So, what are they? What are their uses and what makes them different from traditional contracts? With boring old normal contracts, there are terms and conditions written down that two or more people sign to agree to. For example, if you're buying a house, the buyer and seller sign a contract to say that once a certain amount of money is transferred from the buyer to the seller, the deeds to the property will be transferred to the buyer. Obviously, there are a lot more terms in the contract, but this gives you the basic idea. A smart contract is simply an automated version of this. You can stipulate certain conditions that have to be met before things in the contract take place. So if we use the house buying example again, you can set up a smart contract that automatically changes the ownership of the house once the money from the sale hits the seller's bank account. It's all automatic. Now, obviously, in this use case, it'll take a while to catch on in the Western world, as we already have lots of old creaky systems like the Land Registry Office to take care of all this. But for some developing countries, this is huge. In these countries, there is no official paperwork to say that you own your land. So let's say you are called away for a time and some scrupulous SOB decides to come and take over your land and plot on it. When you return, there is no way for you to prove your ownership. But if there was a smart contract on the blockchain, there'll be an easy way for you to prove the land is yours, and it'll be very hard for anyone else to change that without your permission. Of course, there are a lot more use cases than just that. We'll be talking more about direct ed development in a future video, but a quick overview. They offer tech scholarships to students in countries with fewer opportunities. So how does this work? Well, the student needs to hit milestones like proving their attendance and hitting certain grades as the course progresses to be able to access more of the scholarship funding. And we are only scratching the surface of the possibilities and use cases for smart contracts. Do you have any exciting examples that you've heard? Let us know in the comments below. I think this is going to be a key area in the adoption of blockchain technology. Have you learned something new? Then give this video a like and make sure you slap that subscribe button to catch our weekly Cardano content. So what to watch next? Well, we have a video about epochs on Cardano here, and if you're looking to buy your first ADA, then we have some buying guides here. Until next time, grab your paddle and head upstream.